Hello coders, welcome back to my channel LazyCoder. Today we will see AI Smart City project. So let's proceed with the project demo. So currently you are looking at the project, okay, and this is the user dashboard. Okay, in this project I have used AI to analyze all the city's problems and it will be reported automatically to the admin, or you can say the municipal corporation. Okay, and I have also created the project report which have all the system analysis and the design diagrams, okay, and the DFT diagrams, ER diagrams, and the implementation plan. I have also created the PPT here which describes all the urban challenges, why we have created this project, the AI solution for it, how we have implemented it. So everything I have created. So let's proceed with the project. Okay, so before describing all the features one by one, let's go to my channel here. Okay, this is my channel LazyCoder, where I have uploaded multiple projects based on the AI. So if you see, queue management system is there, okay, based on the AI, pharmacy management system, airline reservation system, clinic management, employee management, student attendance system based on the face recognition. So multiple projects we have created. You can check this out on my channel and please subscribe it so that it will really motivate me to create more projects. Okay, so let's proceed with the project here. This is the citizen, or you can say we have the two roles here. One is the admin, okay, which is treated as, you can say, the municipal corporation, okay, and the second user will be the citizens. Okay, so I have already created the account of citizen and logged in here. Okay, so this is the dashboard of, you can say, the citizen. So what it is saying that we can just report any issue. Suppose if we go to on the road, okay, and see an issue, we will just click the image of that issue and upload it here. It will do that, my system will do that. It will analyze your image, okay, and put it on the categories. Okay, suppose there is waste on the street, so it will analyze it, okay, and get your current location and report it to the admin. So let's click on the new report here. Okay, it is asking me to upload the photo, right? Okay, so when I clicked here, I have already downloaded this image which have the garbage on the street and the one street light is failing, right, and there is potholes is also there on the road, right? So I will upload it one by one. So let's click on here, okay, and upload it. What it is saying that location is logged, so it got my all the GPS longitude and latitude here, okay, and I will just click on the analyze and submit the report. Okay, so currently it is in the background, it is calling the Gemini models, all the available models, and it's just sent my image and analyzed it and got the result and it is displaying here. Okay, so let's see here. If on the top bar you can see that issue is reported to the admin, you earn 20 points. Okay, so based on the report you will get some reward points and you can just redeem it through, I will show you how you can citizen can redeem it. It is just to give the motivations to the users to report the issues, right? Okay, so let's see this, what it generated. So based category, it is selected that waste overflow. If we click on the view details here, it is marked as a high priority, right? Okay, so several bags of household waste and the loose garbage and are illegally dumped, right? Means all in the short description it have generated reported time also, and it also give the locations. So if we click on the view on Google Maps, okay, it will open the maps exactly the location from where it is reported. Okay, so it has opened that, right? Okay, so let's report another issue and see what it is doing, whether it is reporting or not. So if we click here and let's click on the street light failures, acquiring the satellites again. Okay, now we got the location. Now AI is analyzing the image again. Okay, so again same things it is doing, and you can see that street light is failure is coming, right? One of the two lamps, means still it's saying that not complete failure is there, one of the street lights is there. Okay, not eliminated, view all details if we can say, and it marked as a medium priority. Okay, view model, view on the, and it is also reported to the admin. Okay, I will show you by logging in with the admin accounts, and then admin can mark this as a means in progress or the resolved, right? Okay, let's report another issue. Pothole is there, right? So let's click here. Let's click on the AI is analyzing the report. Again, it is doing the same, getting all the models, whichever the models is available. It is querying that, right? Road damage is there, right? So it is also marked as a medium. Okay, so suppose one more features is there. Suppose if two people goes to on the same street, okay, and reported the issue, what it will detect the same problem on the same location, and it will tell you whether it is the same issue or the different issue. If it is a different issue, then it will automatically come here and goes to the admin. But if it is the same issue, you will the same report will be increased with the some stars. So currently you can see that there is no any badge or something is there, right? So what I will do, that I will upload the same pothole image again, and let's see what it is doing, right? Okay, so let's click on the image here, and let's click on the pothole, some other pothole image I will upload right now. Okay, let's click on, but my location is same and the problem issue is also the same like the potholes. Okay, let's see what it is doing, but our image is different. Now you can see that similar issue detected nearby. So right, so our smart city AI noticed that similar issue was already reported very close to your location. Is this the same problem? If it is the same issue, you can mark this as a yes, it is the same issue. It will just upvote your existing reports. Okay, and yeah, okay, so if it is a new issue, then you can mark this as no, it's a different issue. So I will mark this as a same, yes, it's a same issue. So thanks, we have merged your photo as an upvote to the existing issue, right? You keep the points, means you are getting the point because you reported it, right? It's not the problem that this issue is already reported or not. You get the points, right? And now here you can see that one points is there, right? Upwards is there, you can say. Okay, so now I have also implemented to detect the, suppose if some person uploads the wrong image, right? Okay, so now see what it is doing. Okay, now I am uploading the ID card. Okay, and let's see what it is doing. Now you can see that report got rejected. Why? The image depicts a student ID card. It's saying some information about your uploaded image. Okay, but it is not getting reported to the municipal corporation, right? Or you can say the admin. Why? Because it's not a city issue, right? If it is a city or infrastructure issue, means which can be reported to the municipal corporation, then it will be marked as a reported, right? But currently its report is rejected. Okay, so this is about the analyzing of all the images. Okay, we have the dashboard for the users. We in the left hand side, if we see, we have multiple options like report and issue is there. We have already seen it. Leadership is there. So all the top 10 citizens which got whichever have reported multiple city problems will get multiple points, right? And based on the points in the descending order, you will get all the top 10 citizens, right? So this is just to motivate all the you can say the reported person, right? Whoever is reporting it, just to motivate them. And there is reward storage also there here. So we have given multiple rewards like zoo tickets is there, 5% water bill discount, or you can say the free city bus. So I have the 90 points here, and let's click on the redeem now. Okay, so it's saying that spend 50 points on free city bus pass. I will click on the OK, and you can see that successfully redeemed free city bus. Your city means your code, coupon code, you can say that is this one, right? So, and on the right hand side also you are got all the coupons that you got already here also, so you will have the just history. Okay, so what it will do that you can just give the coupons to the conductor and they will give you the tickets. Okay, likewise. Okay, we have one more options here, like the city alerts. Okay, so here if there is any issue or emergency is there that can be alerted to all the public users, so it can be means admin can send all the alerts to the citizens. So here if you see here, heavy rain is there, right? Election is coming, so road blockage will be there. Something can be announced to the public, right, in advance. So right now I will log out with the citizens account and I will log in it with the admin, and I will mark all the issues with the in progress, resolved. Okay, and let's see what all the features we have for the admin. Okay, so this is the home page. Okay, and this is the about platform, sign in is there, and this is about the citizen registration page is there, where the citizen can create the account and log in. Okay, so I have already created the account of admin. Okay, so this is the dashboard of admin, where total citizen, open tickets showing here, resolved issue 0, right? And we have just opened 3 tickets, right? So this is the graphs, right? Manage citizen is there, where means admin can see all the details of the users, like the contact details, can edit it, can also delete it, right? Issues is reported. Okay, so just now we have reported 3 issues, right? So based on the priority, sorted by the priority, high priority will be on the top. Okay, so we just see it here, right? And suppose we will mark this as a in progress. Okay, and road damage as a resolved. Okay, so once we resolved it, you can see that color got changed, right? Okay, and this is the about the, now I will see it on the logging with the, you can say, citizen. So emergency alert is there. So suppose water will not come today, as like this I will send the alert to all the citizens, water will not come today, something like this we will send. Same thing in the message, warning yellow, just click on this, broadcast to citizens. So this alert will be broadcasted to all the citizens. So these are the features for the admin right now. Okay, so just click on the logout and log in as a citizen again. Okay, okay, so now here you can see that one issue got resolved, which one have the highest priority, right? So it got resolved, this one is pending and this one is in progress. And in the city alerts also you can see that earlier it was not coming, now it came with the message that water will not come today, right, with the warning message. Yeah, so this is about all the features that we have implemented. I know that multiple features can also be implemented here. You can just comment out, I will try to implement it. Okay, and before logging off, please subscribe to my channel, so that it will really motivate me to create more projects. If you need the code, you can just check out the description. Okay, so thank you so much, bye.